to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back now.
I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back at the jump.
I had to take a break. Between transitioning to a new job and this pandemic, honestly, I just haven't been feeling inspired to make anything that's worthy of putting on my channel. But for Christmas, I decided to make dinner and I made a bone-in ribeye roast. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. However, this was the hardest piece of beef I've ever cooked, ever. That thing was 5 pounds, y'all, 5 pounds. It took forever to cook, but I will say it still came out juicy, it was flavorful, and it was excellent. And now I have a bunch of food left for the rest of the week, so I'm happy about that. For the sides, I made some bacon wrapped asparagus roasted, and then I tried to make these fancy Duchess mashed potato like mountain peaks thing. I found the recipe online. I don't know, y'all. It had something about egg and anyways, I'll show y'all in the video. I'll show you how I tried and failed, but yeah, I ended up just putting the mashed potatoes in the oven to like finish it off. But the star of the show, the beef, it came out great. It was magnificent. I'm super proud of it. So that's all that matters. But anywho, let's just get right to the video.
Okay, so first I start with the bone-in ribeye roast, and I sat it on the counter for a little while so that it could get to room temperature before putting it in the roasting pan. And I roasted it for approximately 2 hours. They say that when the internal temperature gets to 150 that it's medium rare. I wanted it to be medium well. So as the roast is in the oven, I'm peeling the potatoes and I set them on the stove to boil. This is what it looks like after it's finished boiling. And I use a potato masher to make sure that I got all of the clumps out of the potatoes. Then I added some butter, and then I added some milk. The recipe I found online, oh, caveat, I'm supposed to be making Duchess potatoes, but you'll see, that's not what ended up happening. The recipe called for like a little bit of milk. I like a lot of milk because I like my potatoes to be creamy. And you see I add some salt and pepper. And then I just mix everything together. Now, the recipe called for like 3 egg yolks. That's the egg yolk. I don't know, never heard of this before, but I followed it. And the piping bag you see right there is how you're supposed to make the Duchess potatoes. So I'm struggling trying to get the hot potatoes in the bag. A tip if you're gonna do this is to let the potatoes cool down a little bit. And also the potatoes gotta be a little bit more creamy and smooth. Mine kind of had some lumps, so it made it a bit difficult. But here I am putting the piping tip on, trying to get it situated. Now, I'm trying to make mountain peaks, and as you can see, I have to stop and like get myself together. That's because the potatoes aren't as smooth. The tip fell off. Oh my gosh, it was a mess, y'all. So this is what they were supposed to look like. A picture is gonna pop up soon. This is what they're supposed to look like, and this is what mine looked like. Epic fail. So I ended up just putting it in a casserole dish and baking it. Now I am working on the asparagus. I put about 4 in each little bundle and I wrapped it with bacon. You can pick any type of bacon you want. I use the bacon from Trader Joe's. I love it a lot. And yeah, I seasoned it with some vegetable seasoning, and that's how they look out the oven. I roasted it, and by the time I finished roasting it, the pot roast was done, and this is how I plated my dish. Bon appetit!
Yay! You made it to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope that this was a good comeback video for y'all, and I hope that it was easy and simple to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, I don't know what to talk about this video. Oh, I know. Tell me what what you guys made for Christmas dinner, if you were able to make Christmas dinner, and I want to hear how you spent Christmas. I didn't visit family, we're social distancing, but I still cooked because I was in the mood and I was happy to be off of work for the next 2 weeks, so I decided to cook. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. See you guys soon. Bye.